with Lael by Mail. In this video, we're going to take a look at the new Happy Summer mini book project kit. So first we will take a look at the completed project, and then we'll take a look at the contents of the kit. As always, the Lael by Mail mini book project kits include all the product that you need to put the project together, along with color step-by-step instructions and access to a 3+ hour video where I make the project right along with you step by step. All right, so let's dig in. I always do a summer themed mini book project every year, and I'd have to say this one has to be one of my favorites. So I am using the Simple Stories Summer Snapshots Summer Collection, and it is a beautiful summer collection. It has a really nice balance of a little bit of beach, a little bit of pool, a little bit of outdoors, nothing too specific, so it works great for lots of different summer memories. All right, I'm using the Robin's Egg 6x8 snap binder as a base, and as we get going, I think one of my favorite parts, one of the favorite things I did with this particular project kit is adding this little resin yellow bee. It just makes such a nice little accent there on the cover. I have added, after the fact, from my own stash, a little bit of Stardust stickles to those flower centers, just to kind of make them shine and pop a little bit. So happy summer. As we get going, you'll see there are lots of different interactive elements, room for lots of journaling if you like to write in your projects, and if not, room for lots of photos. Fun little tag here, a mixture of pocket pages, and then some flat pages as well. As we get going, another really, large fun die cut. This project uses the Summer Snapshots foam stickers, and the foam stickers from Simple Stories are some of my favorite products out there. I just think they always do such a nice job with the graphics and the color, and it just makes such a nice kind of added little pop of dimension, if you will. Some little side pockets here. So side pockets for adding smaller photos or tickets or memorabilia or something like that. I love the fun little seagulls in here. Another pocket here to add photos, postcards, what have you. A little curved pocket there. A little side kind of door action here. I love doing things like this because then it leaves room for additional photos. You could put one there, and then also one there on the back side. As we continue, the little watermelon graphics are so cute. Here's a little interactive element with that large die cut camera. So lifting up, you could add a photo here if you'd like. I loved this. I thought this was such a fun idea. The kind of chunky rainbow, but then doing kind of a color block with the same color little circle stickers, adding little pop dots behind those, creating a little rainbow banner there. Lots of florals in the collection. A little interactive piece here with lots of little word strip stickers. Love the florals. Absolutely love the florals in this collection. This one, another kind of interactive fold out. So this little latch kind of holds what you're about to see closed as we open that up. And I pull this out like that. Room for 6 photos there. You could put 6 more photos here on the back side, plus additional photos there. So room for lots of photos, really, which is all about, right? Another little interactive kind of door element here. Interactive again with a little waterfall of cards. Love a little ice cream cone in that. Oops, this is another interactive too. That's a single piece that folds over the top of the pocket page, and then the last page. So that is the completed project. Now let's take a look at the contents of the kit. All right, so the base of the project is the Simple Stories 6x8 snap binder in Robin's Egg. So that beautiful kind of light blue color. If you haven't worked with the Simple Stories snap binders before, they're pretty awesome. The binders include pocket pages. They include decorative pages. So the color of the decorative pages coordinates with the color of the spine. So you have 4 kind of colored decorative pages. Then you have 4, I call these office pages because they kind of remind me of like office-oriented patterns, a dot grid, a graph, a line, and then a ledger. You have 3 chipboard dividers, and then you have pocket pages. So with the pocket pages, you have multiples of 3 different configurations, so 10 total pocket pages. All right, then kind of the guts of the project. You have as I mentioned, you have that little resin bee, which is just so cute. Nice little hard B. You have 12 inches of baker's twine to use on a little tag. You have the big bits. So the big bits are the large die cuts that Simple Stories does. So I used, I think, just about every one of those. I love the size of those in a project like this because they're kind of like die cuts on steroids. Then you have the paper pad, and I've already opened this up, but the paper pad has 2 sheets each of 12 different patterns, and everything is double-sided. So you get like 24 different patterns. Just beautiful summer icons, beautiful colors. It's just so happy. I don't know how you cannot be like happy, cheery with the products in this collection. Just so much fun. That's the 6x8 paper pad. You have the foam stickers, so 2 6x12 sheets of foam stickers. And as I mentioned, one of my favorite products from Simple Stories. I just love using these in my projects. You have the sticker book, so 12 sheets of stickers. There are a total of 469 stickers in this particular sticker book. I use a good portion of them. The only ones I didn't use were the 2 alphabet sets, but those alphabet sets are there for you to personalize your book in any way that you'd like. And then we move into the 12x12 papers. So we have the 3x4 cut aparts with the fun seagulls on the back side. You have the 4x6 cut aparts with the watermelon slices on the back side. You have a 12x12 sheet of the beach balls and the navy multicolored polka dot. That's what I use for that really kind of large interactive piece. And then the last 12x12 is that floral cream pattern with the red ledger on the back. So there you have it. That is the Happy Summer Mini Book Project Kit. This is shipping now. And I've included a link in the description box of the video down below. You can click on that link for information on ordering. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.